Nation, look what I got for you today. NBA Hoops 2020-21 Mega Box. 144 NBA trading cards. We're looking for the Mega Box exclusives, the Explosion Parallels, and we're going to get ready to rip this bad boy and see what it do. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to take this off of here. I'll let you look at the box real quick. So we're looking for a 10 Mega Box Explosion Parallels. Got a little code on the side. Look for the insert rookie cards of the 2020 NBA Draft Class. I don't know if you guys can see that. Well, basically we're looking for Slam Green Explosions. The coveted card in this box is, I'm thinking right now, the highest card I've seen in this box is the Kobe Bryant Slam Explosion number to 89. So if we hit that bad boy, we're in business and we're good to go, and I can leave happy opening this box. Again, we got 18 packs in this box, 8 cards per pack, 18 packs, just 6 shy of the hobby box. I've opened up a lot of hoops, so I know what to expect from here. So we're just gonna see what we got in this box, and hopefully you're happy with this content, and I'm happy with this content. Well, let's go. Joe Ingles, Davis Bertans, Bam Adebayo, Kristaps Porzingis, and we got that green coming up already. JJ Redick. It's a rookie. JJ Redick. Let's see who it is. It is Devin Vassell, 2 of 89, Green Explosion Devin Vassell. Not bad at all. Grant Riller and a Tyrese Halliburton right there for a rookie, little dinged in this corner. That's what I hate about these cardboard cards, man. They just get dinged up in the packs. So we'll see what we got. And so that's not a bad pack. We got a Devin Vassell rookie green right there. Could have been Kobe. And let's see, Michael Porter Jr. I like that guy right there. Colin Sexton, Jason Tatum, Patrick Beverly, Chris Middleton, and we got a Vanity Plates Kyrie. Xavier Tillman and a Robert Woodard II for our rookies. Marvin Bagley, Cameron Johnson, TJ Warren, Chris Dunn, Andrew Wiggins, and we got a red coming up. Looks like it's for the Hawks, so let's see who it is, and it is a Clint Capella purple. LaMelo Ball rookie. Corners looking nice, corners looking nice, centering looking nice, and a Duka as a Buki. Put that up there. And I'll put this Devin Vassell up there too. So we hit our numbered green to 99 already. Hopefully we'll get a special box where we'll get some extras in there. Cody Zeller, Darius Baisley, Kyle Kuzma, Kyrie Irving. And we got this Slam KD, like, so easy to get that card. Malachi Flynn and Daniel Atora for the rookies. Hard to get Slam Hollows though, and Slam Explosions. CJ McCollum, Donovan Mitchell, John Wall, James Harden, Seth Curry, and we got a Vanity Plates Zion Williamson Explosion. Nice. Like that. Cassius Winston and Trey Jones for the rookies. Steven Adams, Jaren Jackson Jr., Spencer Dinwiddie, Joel Embiid, Austin Rivers. We got a arriving now rookie. It is R.J. Hampton. And we got that Devin Vassell base with the Nico Mannion boy. So, let's keep on going. Kendrick Nunn, Torrey Craig, Brandon Ingram, Daniel Tice, Reggie Jackson, and Anthony Davis. Lights, camera, action. Emmanuel Quickly for the rookies, and an Anthony Edwards rookie. I'm getting repeats of a lot of stuff. Not good, not good at all. What's going on with this pack? Let's see. There we go. DeAndre Ayton, Carmelo Anthony, Devontae Graham, Klay Thompson, Splash Brother, Dwight Howard, and we got a frequent Flyers, Zach LaVine explosion, a Peyton Pritchard, and we got a Patrick Williams. Christian Wood, Mo Bamba, Devin Booker, DaVincio, Otto Porter, and we got, whoa, Steph Curry, purple explosion. Nice. Sadiq Bey for the rookies, and Tyler Bey. Andre Drummond, Lonnie Walker, Paul George, Giannis, Thaddeus Young, and we got a Vanity Plates Hollow Russell Westbrook, C.J. Ellaby, and a Skylar Mays for the rookies. Thomas Bryant, Jimmy Butler, Will Barton, Jackson Hayes, Gordon Hayward, and a P.J. Washington explosion. Kenyon Martin and Elijah Hughes are the rookies. So we already got the Edwards. We already got the Ball for Wiseman now. Victor Oladipo, Malik Monk, Eric Pascal, Danny Green, Pascal Siakam. When we turn this down, we got the Zach LaVine Frequent Flyers base, Theo Maledon, and a Cole Anthony rookie. After this pack, we got 4 more packs after this pack, guys. Cam Reddish, Harry Giles III, Jordan Clarkson, Malik Beasley, Mitchell Robinson, and what is this? This is a Buddy Hill purple explosion. And a Josh Green and Killian Hayes for the rookies. Dylan Brooks, Bogdanovich, Tobias Harris, Serge Ibaka, Luka, Precious Achiuwa purple. That looks nice. R.J. Hampton, and the bobblehead guy, Nick Richards. Anthony Simons, Miles Bridges, Daniel Gallinari, Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, Taurean Prince. We got another Zion Williamson vanity plates, a Leandro Balmero rookie, and a Tyrell Terry rookie, excuse me. Tongue-tied. Deontay Murray, Kevin Huerter, George Hill, Lauri Markkanen, Draymond Green, Lights Camera Action Giannis, Curious Lewis Jr. and a Precious Achiuwa for the rookies. 2 more packs. There we go. Tyler Hero, Jamal Murray, Kevin Love, Romeo Langford, Kawhi Leonard, and we got an Explosion Anthony Davis Lights Camera Action, the Najee, and the James Wiseman. Last pack, guys and gals. Bradley Beal, Andre Iguodala, Dwight Powell, Derek Favors, Marcus Smart, and another Zion Williamson vanity plates. And Aaron Naismith and Obi Toppin for the rookies. So on the recap, we got a Giannis Lights Camera Action. Put that Luka out there. A Buddy Hield Purple Explosion. Frequent Flyer Zach LaVine. A PJ Washington Purple Explosion. Lights Camera Action Anthony Davis. A Slam KD. Xavier Tillman, Robert Wood, Tyrese Halliburton rookie. Reach up here and get these. Zion Williamson vanity plates. Base. James Wiseman rookie. Look at that. Anthony Davis Explosion. Green, it looks like a green explosion. Anthony Davis Lights Camera Action. Another Zion Williams vanity plates. A Precious Achiuwa Purple rookie card. Vanity plates hollow Russell Westbrook. A Stephen Curry Purple Explosion. That's nice. We got a Frequent Flyers Explosion Zach LaVine. We got that vanity plates Zion Williamson. And we got a Devin Vassell Green Explosion rookie card, 2 of 89. And we got this right here. Oh, I can't forget about this. LaMelo Ball rookie card. And that's about all, guys. Again, I thank you for watching Hall of Fame Nation. Please like, comment for the algorithm, and subscribe right there over in the corner. And I thank you for watching this video.